to my channel, bro. Red Chakra. If you like this video, bro, be sure to like, share, subscribe, show support to the channel. Grow spiritually, connect with your higher self every single day. So, what I want to talk about in this video, bro, is being alone. So, in this society that we live in, being alone, it got a weird image. You know what I mean? If you alone, people are gonna talk about you. Being alone, we feel like being alone is a bad thing. You know what I mean? So it's like in this day and age that we live in, this day and time, being alone has a bad image to it. You know what I mean? Nobody likes to be alone. People will diss on you if you alone. You know what I mean? And I'm here to say, like, bro, being alone is not a bad thing, bro. It's not at all. I used to hate being alone. I used to want to have people around me. I used to always want to have things around me. I used to look at things outside of myself for happiness instead of looking at myself for happiness, and it made me depressed. You know what I mean, bro? And then I finally cut everybody off temporarily. Like it's not no bad. Like it, bro. It's no hard feelings, bro. Like I had to cut people off for me. You know what I mean? So I had to be alone for like a year, bro. Like literally to discover myself and grow spiritually and ascend the right way because I had a spiritual awakening in 2018, but I couldn't grow as I wanted to because niggas was always distracting me. Like, and it was school, so I couldn't really grow. But now I was able to. You know what I mean? And I figured, and bro, me being alone, bro, I figured out who I am. Like I built an awareness of myself. I'm self conscious now. I know who I am. Um, I write down my thoughts. I got a diary. It's like, bro, and I've become happy, bro. It's like alone, being alone changed my life, bro. Being alone helped me discover my true self, and when we and in this reality that we live in, it's not they make us seem like it's not good to be alone, bro. And I'm not saying be alone forever, but we all need time out. We all need some time to discover ourselves and take a break and recharge, bro. And it doesn't matter how long it takes. It's all based on you. If you need 2 years, take 2 years. If you need a month, take a month. If you need a week, you know what I mean? Just take your time, you know what I mean? We all need to recharge. And if we do not recharge our soul and we do not build up our energy again, we will begin to lose energy, become depressed. So you would stay at a low vibration. It's like, bro, you don't want to give people more energy than you give yourself because when you do that, you start to become depressed. You start to become low vibrational. You start to live at a lower frequency. So it's important. This is why I say it's important to meditate and connect with yourself because meditation is a technique where you give yourself energy. Excuse me. Well, however you do it, like if you meditate, right, and you say, I am powerful. Like you say words like I am, and then you say a word after that that's positive. Like I am positive. I am a God. I am a king. Stuff like that. Or I am strong. You saying words and you're getting that energy back because words automatically hold energy. So you saying words, but the I am part is giving it back to you and it's defining you. You know what I mean? And it's giving you energy and it's making you stronger because your words will change up your brain and it will change up how your body works and it will change up how your mind works and it will be able to shape your reality. So if you say I am a king, you're gonna build a reality where you are a king. Like me, I built a reality where I am strong. I used to say I am strong. Now I'm strong in every aspect of life. Physically, you know what I mean? Hold up. You know what I mean? Like bro, I'm strong physically. I'm strong emotionally. I could control my emotions. Now I can go off. You know what I mean? But it's harder to get me there. Now I'm strong mentally because I'm smart now. I'm strong spiritually because I've grown spiritually, and I'm just strong in like every aspect of life now because I've changed my mind, bro. You have to realize when you alone, this is where you can change your mind because we're programmed a certain way. Like how we was programmed to think being alone is a bad thing. It's actually a good thing because you will discover your true self, bro. Because we usually think bro, celebrities, our friends, and all this other shit will try to make us be a certain way. When you take the time out and be alone, you will understand like this is who I really am. You know what I mean? You will understand that you don't need to be a certain way because society makes us a certain way. You will be able to discover who you really are. You know what I mean? Like I discovered that I'm a god. I'm a king. I discovered that, bro. I used to be so depressed. I beat depression being alone. Bro, my depression came from being alone, and I didn't know what to do when I was alone. I was just sitting there thinking about other people. Now I've been alone, and I beat depression because I was worried about nobody else but myself. I was worried about my self development. I was going inside of myself and figuring out what needs work. Like what do I need to work in? What do I need to work on internally to become a stronger person? And it didn't happen instantly. Like I had to build myself. I had to beat it. I beat addictions. Like I've been on NoFap for 100+ days. Like I swear to God, bro. Like, bro, I don't even count my days no more. I don't even know what day I'm on no more because I don't even count no more. Like bro, I ascended, bro, because I was being alone. I didn't like when you be around people, they can distract you of your goals. You know, they could just bring you down and they could program you to be a certain way. And they could make you become somebody other than yourself, you know, because your brain will get influenced by outside resources if you let it. But when you be alone, bro, you will understand like it's just you, and you can when you alone, you can just become who you really are. Become who you really are, and you can learn about yourself. It's all about self discovery. That's what life is about. Discover yourself, living out your purpose, and just becoming a better version of yourself and ascending your soul. Some people in this world is not ascending at all, and they might have to reincarnate. You know what I mean? It is what it is. But you don't. You just want to be a better version of yourself. Being alone is not a bad thing, bro. I want to tell you that. You can learn about yourself. You just gotta do it the right way. If you sit there and be alone and you keep on thinking about other people, you keep on thinking about I want a girl and shit like that, you're gonna stay depressed, and that's how I stay depressed. But when I was alone, I started learning about the universe, and you know the universe is all things existing in matter. I learned about the universe. I learned about myself more importantly. It's just like, bro, I've grown from being alone. When you alone, you can learn about who you are, bro. You can learn about yourself, and you can build your spiritual shield. You won't let demons fuck with you no more. I mean, but I'm not saying you not allowed to get mad. Like, bro, you're able to get mad, bro. We're not saying be perfect, but you'll be able to have more self control. You will beat depression, bro. Like literally, I beat depression. I beat anxiety, dude. Now sometimes I do have anxiety, like it's still there, but it don't control me like it used to. But I don't really see myself as having anxiety. Like if I be thinking, oh, I don't want to do this, I'ma still go fuck say I'ma do it. Like that thought is still there, but it don't control my body and my it don't control my movements. You know what I mean? Like I was scared to go to work like this, braiding my hair like I braided it myself. I was scared to do that, but then I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just do it because I don't care, but nobody think about me because I love myself enough to represent who I am, and I don't and fuck everybody's opinion. Like I go to work with these necklaces on, like the iHorse chain, um crystals. Like I love myself enough, and I love my ancestors enough, and I love my higher self. This represents my higher self. I represent my higher self enough to go to work and not give a fuck what anybody think. And even if somebody diss me, I still won't give a fuck because I love myself that much. I love my ancestors that much. I love my higher self that much. You know what I mean? If I wear a crystal, I love protecting myself that much to not give a fuck what anybody think, even if they diss me. You know what I mean? I don't care, bro. And this came from being alone, bro. Now, I remember back when I was younger, bro, I used to want to wear all that bullshit. Nike, Jordans. I used to want it all. Now I don't, bro. Hold up. bro, this is the type of shoes I buy. I didn't even wear these yet, actually, but these is the type of shoes I buy, bro. Look at that. I don't care what nobody think about me no more. These the type of shirts I get, my nigga. This Otten, my nigga. This is the sun, my nigga. The sun is a supreme deity in the sky, helping us live, my nigga. Can't be alive without the sun, my nigga. The sun is out there helping, oh, helping conscious people grow spiritually, become a better version of themselves, elevating our brains. The sun is literally here for us, bro. And as a black person, the sun is going to help your melanin and activate your melanin and activate your DNA to become a better version of yourself and help you become stronger. You know, but that's if you're aware of, if you believe in Jesus, don't worry about the sun, but because the Jesus is not allowing you to be aware of that. But the sun come up every day for you to grow. Every single day. You went for Jesus to come back after 3,000 years, a white person. No racism. No, I wasn't trying to be racist. But look, bro, this is me. This represents my higher self. This is the center of your brain. This is the eye of Ra. This is the eye of Horus, bro. Eye of Heru, whatever you want to call it. This represents higher wisdom, knowledge. This is the center of your brain. This represents your pineal gland, my nigga. Like, bro, this is a symbol representing wisdom and knowledge, bro. Come on. This is something that my ancestors created, the Egyptians. And the Egyptians praised the sun, bro. And I love the sun. I'm gonna wear this shit. I'm gonna rock this shit. Hold on. This represent my 7 chakras lined up. Like, come on, bro. I pop out like this, bro. Because I love myself and I love myself that much. This is who I am. I don't wear Nikes no more. I don't wear Jordans no more. I don't do that stuff no more, bro. I ascended from that. And I'm glad that I did. I'm glad that I discovered who I am. And it came from being alone, bro. For us to become a greater version of ourselves as a collective consciousness, we need to learn that being alone is not a bad thing. Like, even in relationships, people probably get tired of each other because they see each other that too much. You gotta separate a little bit. Everybody need time alone, bro. I'm just gonna say that you need time alone. I don't want to be with a girl all day, every day. Like, my nigga, I need to be alone a little bit. You need to, so we can continue to have an awareness of ourselves. You know what I mean? So we can take the time out for ourselves. So I just wanted to get on here and like just tell y'all, like, bro, being alone is not a bad thing. It's giving a bad image in the public eye, yes, because they don't want us to learn about it. But be alone, bro. I've been alone for like basically like 9 months to a year, away from people, and it's no disrespect, but I had to do it for my own self growth. And you need to go into it with a clear mind. You need to stop worrying about these religions because they're trying to fuck you over. Stop worrying about people. Just be alone for a minute. Just think about you. Sit in the dark, bro. Like, if you sit in the dark, you're gonna see colors, bro. It's amazing. It's amazing to sit in the dark, bro. I promise you. Sit in the dark and just think. Just think about your thoughts. Just think about how you feel and meditate and just grow. Like this. Get in this position, line up your chakras, let your kundalini energy flow, and then just think and just be aware, be conscious of everything. To be conscious is to be aware. So be aware of yourself, the world around you. Just grow and be alone. Not saying be alone forever. You can be with people, you do what you want, but just take the time out for you or for yourself. But if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, show support the channel. I hope you seen value in this video. But thanks for watching.